Start with a slip knot. And chain 28 plus 1 chain extra for the turning chain. This measures around 5 inches. 1 double crochet in the second chain from the hook, 1 and 2, this one. And 1 double crochet into each and every stitch. Now make the turning chain. Chain 2, insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. That is the first chain which you made, and pull up a loop. Turn your work. Now insert your hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. That's a turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. Next on, 1 double crochet is already made. Now make 1 double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. Skip the next 2 stitches and into the next stitch make a puff stitch. Yarn over, insert hook and pull up a loop. 3 loops on the hook. Now do this 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. Total 9 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the loops. And chain 1. That's 1 puff stitch made. Now make 1 more puff stitch into the same stitch. Insert your hook and pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 9 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the loops and chain 1. Skip the next 2 stitches. 1 double crochet each into the next 3 stitches. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. Skip 2 and into the next stitch make a puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 9 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all the loops and chain 1. 1 more puff stitch into the same stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches. 1 double crochet each into the next 3 stitches. Skip 2. Skip 2. And this is the last stitch. Now make the turning chain. Chain 2. Insert it into the second chain from the hook and pull up a loop. Turn your work. Insert it into the first stitch and pull up a loop. Pull through 2 and pull to the last. That's a turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. Next one, 1 double crochet is already made. Now make 1 double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. Now the next stitch will be making in between these 2 puff stitches. Make 2 puff stitches into this stitch. This is the middle stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 9 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the loops and chain 1. Make 1 more puff stitch into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 9 loops. Yarn over and pull through all and chain 1. This is how it will look. 1 double crochet into each of these double crochets. That's total 3 double crochets. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. 2 puff stitches in between these puff stitches and 1 double crochet into each of these double crochets. This is the next stitch. Make the last set of stitches. Now make the turning chain. Chain 2. Insert it into the first chain. That is the second chain from the hook. And pull up a loop. Turn your work. Insert it into the first stitch. And pull up a loop. Pull through 2 and pull through 2. That's a turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. Now just keep repeating this round until it's square in shape. 1 double crochet is already made. 1 double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. 2 puff stitch in between these puff stitches. Now continue with the rest of the stitches. This is how it will look. Make the turning chain. Last one, 1 double crochet is already made. Now make 1 double crochet into each and every stitch. This is the next stitch. Now here, this is the first stitch. 1. This is the next stitch. 2, 3 and 4. Once you reach the end, weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.